Yeah, hello everyone. So this is Sujeet Patel, and again I am back with day 7 Informatica Cloud Data Quality tutorial. So let's try to understand what the agenda we have for today, and then accordingly we can go for practicals and all. So let me start the slide. So types of dictionaries in Informatica Cloud Data Quality. So reference dictionary, list of known valid values will be there. Classification dictionaries, group data into predefined categories. Regular expectation dictionary, use regular expressions to identify data patterns. Phrase dictionary helps in matching multi-word terms. For example, San Francisco. Here is a clear step-by-step example of how we can use a dictionary in Informatica Cloud Data Quality to validate data. Let's say you are working with customer data and you want to ensure that the state field contains only the valid US state names. So what is our goal? We want that flag or clean up states values that does not match a list of valid US states names. This is our goal. Okay. So scenario, suppose we are getting a value like customer name as states. In the right hand side, we have a state. So for California, we can see we have a typo mistake, and for Texas, we have a TX as abbreviated value. So a step by step, like how we can create a dictionary gender. So for that, we need to go to data quality service, then dictionaries, create dictionary, and whatever value we want to pass valid, we can give some name to the dictionary, and we can pass some values like this. We can use this dictionary in the rule spec also. So once we create any rule in data quality, so at that place also we can utilize this dictionary so that we can validate the value. Like we can conclude the value like it's valid or invalid. Then we need to apply the rule, and then we can use that rule for validating. So once we will use that rule and once we will pass the data, so we can see the third column, that is validation result. So we are doing the validation of the state column, second column, and third column we are getting as a result. So whatever value is available in our kind of dictionary, it will be flagged as valid. And whatever, like for TX, it's a short form, it's not complete form. That's why it's flagged as invalid. For California, we have a typo mistake. That's why it's a kind of flagged as invalid. So by that way, we can actually ensure the quality of the data. We can understand, because here we have 5-6 data, but in real time, we'll have millions of data, right? So once we get the millions of data, so through that, we can understand the percentage of scores, percentage valid value, percentage invalid value. And we can plan kind of further roadmap for the data quality projects. Is it correct or kind of acceptable valid values or not? Or we should make sure that the invalid value should be 0%. So whatever expectation we will have for the project, we will make sure that this is made first. Then we can go for any data management or any kind of data quality projects further. So this is all about data quality dictionary. Let's try to do some demo. So for demo, what we are going to do, we'll create a dictionary through the data profiling. And that dictionary we can utilize in data quality also. We can add and customize some value within that. So let's try to start the kind of practicals for that. For that, let's go into the server, because we need to use the secure agent, which is little heavier. Okay, so let me connect to the server. I think we are getting some disconnection issue, but that's fine. Let's try to. Okay, so we are connected to the server. Let's do the full screen. Okay. Now what we will do, we are logged in with that. We are already logged into the IDMC platform. We're getting some disconnection. Just a minute. Let's wait for this.